When the end adapter is worn out or damaged, you can easily replace it. You'll need the following tools: a drill, a rivet gun, rivets, and an end adapter. First, carefully drill through the rivet in the current adapter. Then remove the old adapter from the pole. Insert the new end adapter and make sure the holes line up perfectly. Insert a new rivet and secure it tightly with a rivet gun. Check that the adapter is firmly attached. Your pole is now ready for use again. HighClean.com. Clean in no time.